Hi, in this video I'm going to show you what to do in case you come across any issues with opening Microsoft Office 97 to 2003 files. These files were created almost 2 decades ago, or with a program that was created 2 decades ago. So the new Office is having trouble opening them or sometimes having issues with them. So one of the things that you can do and try to resolve this is go to File and Options and Trust Center Settings, File Block Settings, and then if you see 3 check marks here, you'll want to uncheck those. You'll then want to scroll to the bottom and click OK, and then click OK again, and then that should allow you to open some older Microsoft Office documents. Hope this helps.